Hi guys, my name is Rochester and welcome to another video. Thank you so much for clicking in. If you can't already tell by the title, this video is going to be about my weight loss update, motivation, how to motivate yourself, what motivates me, what I eat, and also everything else that encompasses me losing this amount of weight. Oh, and my workout routine. So please don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the video. Alright, so for me, how I stay motivated is of course by watching videos of how I lost certain amount of weight. So I'll probably YouTube how I lost 50 pounds, how I lost 20 pounds, how I lost 100 pounds, and those videos keep me motivated. Also Instagram also keeps me motivated with my weight loss, because I can go on Pome Fitness Instagram and I can see where we'll be posting about before and afters, weight loss memes, meals I can eat. So stuff like that keeps me motivated as well. Just different Instagram accounts that that deals specifically with fitness, that definitely motivates me. When I see people's before and after and the time that they took them to lose that amount of weight, and just people being candid and honest about their weight loss, that also motivates me. Also over here on YouTube, Jelisa Scotton, she definitely keeps me motivated. Just her body, her physique, I love her physique. She's thick, but she also has abs, she has them guns. I mean, she is just, her body is insane, and she's working like she doesn't think her body is, but I'm like, Bobo, your body is fire. And if you do subscribe to her, I'll leave her channel link in the description bar as well. If you do subscribe to her, please tell her that I sent you, because like she motivates me. She just got engaged, she's planning her wedding, she eats right, she cooks right. I mean, I just love Jelisa Scotton. Also, what you can do to stay motivated is by, of course, following Jelisa Scotton. She's also a fitness and lifestyle fitness coach. So, and you don't have to be in the US, because she is based in the US, but you don't have to be in the US in order to take advantage of her programs. You can actually email in, you know, like your progress. You can start by doing that. And she, you know, she knows her things, so I won't go into that. But yeah, so please check out Jelisa Scotton. So that's what you can do if you want to stay motivated. You can also follow Pome Fitness, shameless plug, on Instagram. We post a lot of meals, the fitness builds, of course, because that's what it's there for, and of course different memes that we'll find, and what else, before and afters, my before and afters as well. And also what you can do to stay motivated is by watching like fitness hauls, like fitness hauls, or what's in my gym bag, you know, stuff like that. I do various things to stay motivated, because I have to stay motivated, and it is very difficult. I've lost 28 pounds so far from the 1st of March, and for me that weight loss is extremely slow, and I can see my collarbone popping through now. Like, this is what I want to say. Like, is that too much? No, it's not. So even people telling me already, don't lose no more weight, don't lose no more weight, you look fine, don't lose no more weight. And I'm just like, nigga, when I was big as a Buick, y'all were saying, oh, you know, you look nice, but they could just lose some pounds, you look nice, but and now that I'm actually losing weight, they're like, don't lose anymore. I'm not doing this for anybody but myself. My husband loves me big, he loves me thin, he loves me whatever, he loves me regardless of how I am physically, because I don't only appeal to his physical nature, but I appeal to other natures, you know, that needs appealing. Was I nasty? Yeah, so I'm doing this for me, nobody else but for me. My 31st birthday is coming up, and I have this grand idea of what I want in my head for my 31st birthday celebration. It would have taken place last year, but it didn't, so I'm doing it big for my 31st. There's the things I want, and there's also a certain way I want my body to look by that time. And I know it's a far off, but that's the goal I have in my head at my birthday. So by my birthday, I would be in maintenance, and I would be living this healthier lifestyle. As I was saying, it does get hard for me, it gets depressing as well, even when I gain 1 pound or 2 pounds. Guys, that 1 or 2 pound is just always in my head, and it gets to me, you know. So that's how I stay motivated, that's how I keep myself motivated. And I'm so grateful for these different mediums on Instagram where I can see people's before and after. It just keeps you so grounded and stationed. And a lot of you, even when I open up my Snapchat, a lot of you are so many. I get more snaps about fitness and weight loss than I do about makeup and my brushes. It's like, how much for the belts? The belts coming, go to England, the belts can be, how get the belts? Lyric, you have encouraged me. I've seen snaps of people just like running that lyric, push me Nadal, push me. And I'm just like, oh my god, I didn't start out with encouraging you guys. I just started out because I was fat. I'm still fat. My main issue is my gut and my back fat. I mean, they have decreased immensely, but that's my main issue. And we have something new coming for Pomi Fitness, but meals that I eat. So what do I eat? If you follow me on my One Set app, you'll see what I eat on a daily. I don't post every single day, but it gives a general idea of what I consume during the day. I drink water, but not as much as I used to before, but I drink water a lot, but not as much as I used to before. I'd have teas in the morning. Out of 7 days, I probably don't have a tea once or twice a day. Maybe got my hand. Maybe I either have my peppermint tea with lime juice in it, or I have my flat tummy tea with lime juice in it, or my flat tummy tea alone. No, I'm out of my flat tummy tea, the AM, so I've been drinking the PM in the AM. I don't know what that's going to do to my body. I'm kind of scared, but that's what I've been doing. No, and I had it first time today, so I haven't had any experiences with it as yet. I don't feel any different. But I will say with the flat tummy tea though, it is really helping me with bloating, because I say my issue is my tummy, that's my issue, and my back fat. So with that being said, flat tummy tea has been helping me with the de-bloating. Now, before I started drinking my flat tummy tea, I was going to the bathroom like once or twice a day. Now I'm going to the bathroom 2 to 3 times a day. I have a full review on the flat tummy tea, so that's all I'm going to say about that. But just know that it works, and I have another pack that I'm going to start on as well. What else? Exercises that I do. I actually go to the hill only, and we have different challenges. Like we just completed our 30-day squat challenge where we went up to 150 squats. I don't want to stop doing that. I want to continue doing squats every single day, at least 50 squats a day, and then I'll probably graduate to more and more and more, because I want to lift that butt. And I see where the squat challenge, I'm looking in the mirror, where it actually helped me to my cellulite, my cottage cheese on my thighs, it has decreased immensely, and I know it's because of the squat challenge. Plus I've been going to the hill, and the hill is that upward climb. Now I didn't really notice them going away until I started the squat challenge. So that's one thing you can do to stay motivated. Just Google different challenges for your problem area. The flat tummy challenge, the squat challenge, the booty lifting challenge, the abs challenge, the thigh challenge. Just Google and you'll get they will come up, mama, they will come up. I am going to be starting the gym on the 1st of July, and guys, I'm so nervous. And I'm not nervous in a good way, I'm nervous in a bad way, to the point where I don't even want to go to the gym. I'm very afraid of going to the gym. It's just this fear I have of going to the gym. I'm so comfortable on the hill, but I know what I need to work on. I can't get it on the hill. If I continue on the hill, I won't build the body that I want. I'll still lose the weight, but I won't build the body that I want. I won't get my ripped abs, my arms, like I won't get the thighs I want, the ass I want, you know what I mean? Like there are things that I need in my body that I want, that there's certain things that there's a certain way I want my body to look, and I can only achieve that by the equipment that they have at the gym. So I'll be going into a few gyms just to see what they have to offer here in Portmore, and then I'll be starting one of them on the 1st of July. And I'm nervous. I just don't know what people may think of me. And I know I can't afford a trainer, so I know I'm gonna have to be googling a lot of what, you know, the different exercises that I want to do. I know I'm gonna have to be googling a lot on that as well. And I need new workout clothes, because I can't go to the gym in the same old workout clothes that I have. I don't know, and let me tell you why I don't want to go to the gym. I'm afraid of going to the gym because I think the gym is a class issue. Like only people with money go to the gym, and they have to look a certain way for them to go to the gym. So I feel like I have to buy clothes, new workout clothes to go to the gym. That's just how I feel. That's how I feel, and I guess that's a part of the fear that I have. That the other part I have is because I'm a very nice person. I will rant, but if you come to me, I'm going to be kind to you. And I'm saying that to say, when the trainer comes and say, oh, you're not doing this, I will say, nigga back up, bruh, I got this. I don't know if I can say that, but that's what I want to say, because I know they're going to come and say, you know, do you want to train? I'm going to be like, no. And if I'm going to be there every day, I may be asked again, I may be asked again, I may be asked again, you know, you never know. So that's a part of the fear as well. But I just wanted to make this video to say that I'm not at my goal weight. I'm nowhere near my goal weight. What is my goal weight? I have no idea. Let me just say I'm not at my goal body. The physique I want is that slim waist, broad hips, that booty though, that booty though, and my back fat eliminated. It's just, I just have goals in my mind for my body, and yeah, I'm just along for the journey with you guys. And one thing that I've noticed about myself is that you guys are on the journey with everything with me. You're on my skin journey, you're on my weight loss journey. Even with Pull Me by Lyric and Pull Me Fitness, you see us starting from the ground up. You understand? We didn't just come out to the blues and we're doing amazingly well. You guys see us building, and that's what I love about my brand. It's like I build with you. It's as I start my fitness journey, you start your fitness journey. As I start my brush line, you guys want to start your own lines. It's like we're building this together, and that's what I absolutely love about how open I am with you guys. And I'll never stop being open with you guys because of that, and because you guys love that, and because I love being open with you as well. So that's basically it for this video. I don't have much to say. Sorry, I'm speaking so low. Jonathan is sleeping. I had to close the door. It is hot in this room. I had to close the door because he's sleeping. And thank you for all the encouragement. Please follow Pull Me Fitness on Instagram. That would mean a lot to us. And also the fitness belts are going fast, and because I doubt we'll be restocking that style, if you don't get yours now, I don't know if we'll be restocking, but I'll let you guys know via Snapchat. Oh, and follow me on Snapchat as well. Yeah, that's basically it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.